just as I thought we were done with the snow. Just adding to the work vlog, working on the conduit today. Hopefully finish that up, and then I'll finish up this stuff. Solar trailer. So put some walls on it, put a roof on it, put the solar panels on top. There's a battery bank that goes on the front of it, and some stuff on the inside like a charge controller and inverter. Damson!
Boy, don't run. Don't run.
So I've got a couple slow leaks. I thought I just had one. Sprayed it down with some soapy water, and sure enough, right at the base of this where the rubber hose meets the barbed fitting, see it bubbling up there. And over time I'll make this foamy little mess where all the leaks are. So yeah, that makes me happy I was able to find that right away. I ordered some proper thread sealant instead of Teflon tape. Apparently it's better to use thread sealant on stuff like this, I've been reading. So clean it up, seal it up, tighten it down, and I don't know what to do about that. I'll take the hose off and check the barbs, make sure there's no scratches on them. Might have to replace that fitting. Got the leveling straps bolted back on, and I don't know if you can see it, but I took out that piece of bad radiator hose and should have another piece by this evening. Put the new hose in. Almost completely got this leak to stop. That 90 degree rubber hose is a little crimp imperfection from when it was cut, so it's not, I can't get a completely good seal on it, but it's so slow it takes like an hour to make just a little patch of bubbles. This side leaks a little bit too. Also very, very slowly. I've been checking it with this 2x4. And at first I was able to get my fingers completely under there. And over about 36 hours, something like that, really long time, couple days, it's gotten down to about there. Or I don't know, it seems like maybe it goes, I've been checking it every so often, it seems like it goes down 1/4 inch every 24 hours or something. Really slow. I can live with that. Pump can keep up with that fine. As long as it can stay inflated overnight, that's what I want. Finish up the conduit here. I got this last pipe put in. Got it kind of shaped with the heat gun. Goes up and over to the floor. And up in here. Gonna tee off, go to some outlets, and to some lighting. Gonna put an outlet up here, and a switch. So that's what I'm doing for work. I'm gonna finish this up before I go. Alright, now we're done. Got that leak almost stopped. It's so slow. It just needs a little air every once in a while, but that compressor can keep up with that just fine. Got off the jack stands. Jack's put away. Got to put away the little bar. Been letting it run. It's been going for about 45 minutes now. Just getting a good warm up. Checking that radiator hose. Making sure that doesn't still leak. Alright, I am now fully satisfied that was a complete success. Freaking dropped a stick of butter on the ground. I didn't really pack anything up. I just had to drive it. Auto leveling. Tried the auto leveling. That worked pretty good. Got tires at both the same height. What it's supposed to do. Garbage. I'm all out of grocery bags. So anyway, all done. Sweet. Awesome. Now I just got to get some work done in the hobby house here behind me. Pay down some of my debt and then I'll hit the road. I'll get caught up on editing here shortly. It's that time and day. Yeah, Saturday. My goal is to be out of here by next Sunday, not this following Sunday, but the Sunday after next. Leave on a Sunday morning. It'll be super slow traffic. It'll be nice. Also something, I got so many things. I can't wait to get back home. I know of a guy who does windshield chip repair. Got a couple chips. I think those are probably there since I bought them, since I don't remember anything hitting the window that hard. Those are some pretty hard hits. But they have started to show, especially this one. Starting to show a little more, but... So yeah, I'm going to get some chip repair and get another thing of transmission fluid. For some reason it's low. I don't know if it's just always been low or transmission's leaking somewhere. We have to keep an eye on that. So get some more of that stuff. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to get some work done, get all my dishes done. Last thing I got to do, everything else is all pretty much cleaned up. Oh, we're almost there. I'm almost on the road again, you guys. Seriously, awesome. So stay tuned. Talk to you later. Bye.